welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. For those who are new, welcome. My name is Jennifer Razon, and this is my little space here in the YouTube universe. It's such a beautiful day out, so I figured, let's go for a run. So, let's go for a run. That's much better, feeling refreshed and not as sweaty and icky from the run. I ran the LA Marathon twice, first in 2019. I'll link it up here if you want to watch that video. And then again, the following year, 2020, literally right before the pandemic shut the whole world down. I still have to edit that video. I will get it to you guys at some point, hopefully soon. Well, with things somewhat opening up again, I'm getting that urge to run a road race again. I do have a few in mind, which I'm really excited about and looking forward to sharing with you guys, as well as my training process, or a glimpse into how I train for a race. I'm not a professional runner by any means. I'm just your average person just running. So hopefully the next time I go out running, I'll have an answer for you guys. So let's fast forward to that, because I'm sure you want to hear the answer, like, now. So, okay, let's go.
Don't force me out of bed in your society. Don't push me down the road you're playing down. Don't try to fix my head, it's just your anxiety. Don't hush me now, cause I just wanna shout. Don't make me dance to the tune that you're humming. No, my body don't move like that. Don't make me pretend I don't see your shortcomings. You'll be running when I raise the black flag. Get out your bomb and fly away.
freshened up, went for my morning run this morning, felt really good, getting used to running outdoors again. I've been out of commission for the last several months due to a minor back injury, so getting back into it is a good thing, slowly. So without further ado, I know you're all waiting for which road race I will be running, so I will be running the Long Beach Half Marathon. And I'm super excited. I do have a 12 to 13 week training plan. Please note that I am not a professional by any means. Training plan I've had is something I've done prior, a couple years ago. I'm just updating it now in terms of how I physically feel and whatnot to my physical stamina. So please check with your physician or a professional to make sure if you are going to undertake something similar to get a training plan accustomed for you. With that said, I'm super excited to share my journey with you all. And yeah, don't worry, I still have my normal adventures for you guys. I have a couple already lined up, so you don't want to miss out on that. So please do like this video and subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet, as I'll have all these adventures to share with you all. I'm super excited about that. Until then, I hope you guys are doing well. Please let me know down in the comments down below, and let's go. And I'll see you all at the finish line. See you next time.